This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal first, before disconnecting the positive cable. Flip up the protective cover, then loosen the nut and disconnect the positive cable from the battery. Detach the wiring harness from the top of the hold-down clamp stud. Remove the battery hold-down clamp fasteners from the battery. And remove the upper and lower portions of the clamp. Remove the battery protective cover. Carefully lift the battery out of the battery tray. Always keep the battery in an upright position to reduce the possibility of electrolyte spills. If you spill electrolyte on yourself or the vehicle, rinse it off immediately with plenty of water. Make sure the battery tray is clean before installing the battery. If necessary, lift it out to clean it. Also make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. Set the tray evenly in position, then position the battery into the tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp components. The clamp fasteners should be evenly snug, but over-tightening them may damage the battery case. Attach the wiring harness clip to the hold-down clamp stud. Connect the battery cable for the positive terminal first, tightening the bolts securely. Reinstall the protective cover, if it was removed to clean the cables. Then push the protective cover securely onto the positive terminal. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the bolts securely.